Yes, hello, good morning everyone. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. Okay, if yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class, right? So guys, this is the study material and these are the channels. Like this is our Telegram channel and this is our Telegram group for the doubt discussion, and this is for the regular updates. And this is the study material that is completely synced with this book. So guys, you guys are requested to please buy this book, right? Just to get the maximum benefit of the classes, because all the questions that we are going to discuss here, they are given in this book. So there is no need to write the question during the class, because yesterday some of the students were saying, sir, we are not able to write the question during the classes. So guys, there is no need to write the question during the class. All the questions are given in the book, right? You just have to make the reference, like this question is given on this book and this page number, right? Page number is this and the question number is this, right? So you may have the very smooth experience over here, fine. So okay everyone, let's start. And before that, I think we have one more slide of our existing programs. So these are the two recorded sessions and this is the test series, right? Okay, so these are the programs that we have apart from these classes. So you may buy this also. All right. So friends, today's topic is partnership, right? Yesterday we have finished with, we are finished ratio and proportion, and the continuation of that topic is partnership. And UPSC has introduced this topic after 15-16 years this time, right? Because if you go through the question papers of from 2011 or from 2010 to 2014, there is no question of partnership has been asked. But yes, this year they have asked one question. So they may ask another question in coming years, fine. Some other question they may ask. So let's study this topic. This topic is actually an easy topic. You will just hardly take 15-20 minutes to get the concepts of this topic, and after that we will discuss the questions, fine. So guys, what is partnership? If I ask you, friends, what is partnership? What do you mean by partnership? Those who are sitting in front of me and those who are sitting online also. What is the meaning of partnership, friends? Anything that is coming to your mind? Partnership? Yes? Joint venture? Alright, okay. Roughly you guys are knowing about it. When two or more than two persons start a joint venture with some mutual understanding, right? So they are known to be partners and this deal is known to be partnership. Correct? Right everyone? So this is the definition of partnership, right? When two or more than two persons start a joint venture with some mutual understanding, then this deal is known as partnership. Okay? Clear guys? Fine? Alright. And for these questions, let me tell you, by default, the tenure of the entire business is considered as 1 year, 12 months. Okay? The tenure of the entire business, the duration of the entire business, right, is considered as 1 year or 12 months. Suppose that it is given in the question that this business was there for 15 months, right? So you will take that duration as 15 months. But if it is not given in the question, then by default it will be considered as 12 months. Correct everyone? So default duration of the business will be treated as 12 months, right? Okay. Number one. Number two, all the profit or loss will be distributed among the partners in the ratio of their capital investment. Okay? All the profit or loss will be distributed among the partners in the ratio of their capital investment. Right everyone? And capital investment will be considered as per unit investment. Right? Capital investment will be considered as per unit per unit investment. For example, if I invested 10 rupees for 2 months, right, I repeat, if I invested 10 rupees for 2 months and my partner invested 20 rupees for 1 month, right? So the investment of both of us will be considered same. I repeat, if I invested 10 rupees for 2 months and he invested 20 rupees for 1 month, then investment of both the partners will be considered equally. Correct? It means this is the investment into number of months. Right? Clear everyone? So the equivalent investment will be investment into number of months. Right? So just read this point, you will get it. Okay? When all the partners invest for the same time, then profit or loss is distributed among the partners in the ratio of their capital investment, number 1. Number 2, when the investment are for different time periods, then equivalent capital are calculated for the unit of time by multiplying capital and unit of time. And the gain or loss is distributed among the partners in this ratio. Guys, it is clear, right? And obviously third point should be, by default, the time duration of the business will be considered as 12 months. Right everybody? Fine, there are 3 points actually. The third point must be, by default, the time duration for the business will be considered as 12 months. Fine, shall we move to the questions? Right. Okay. Guys, just read this question. It's a very simple question. Just read it. There is no need to solve this question. Just read this. Question is saying A, B and C started a business by investing rupees 1,20,000, 1,35,000 and 1,50,000 respectively. Find the share of each out of an annual profit. Okay everyone? The question is saying annual profit. Find the share of each out of an annual profit. It means they all are there in the business for 12 months. Correct? Okay. So A, it is 1,20,000. B, it is 1,35,000 and C, it is 1,50,000, right? So guys, and obviously all of them are there in the business for 12 months, 12 months, 12 months, so it will be multiplied with 12 and we need to find this ratio, okay? Now if we need to find the ratio, so we need to consider, we need to cancel these terms with the common, common multiplier. So first of all, 3 zeros are common, so 3 zeros will be cancelled. Everybody okay? Right, 3 zeros are cancelled. After that, this is 120, this is 135 and this is 150. 120, 135, 150, they all are there in the table of 15. This is 15 into 8, this is 15 into 9, this is 15 into 10, right? So this is the ratio of 8 is to 9 is to 10. This is the ratio of 8 is to 9 is to 10. It means the profit will be distributed among the partners in this ratio, guys. Correct? Okay. Now what is the profit? The profit is this. So this will be distributed among 3 partners in this ratio. This is 8, 9, 10. Right? Guys, 8 plus 9 is what? 17. 17 plus 10 is 27. Right? So this is 567 by 27. 27 into 2 is 54. So 27 into 20 will be 540. So this is 21. Alright. So guys, this is 56700, so this is 2100 actually. So 2100 into 8. 20 into 8 kitna hota hai? 20 into 8 is 160, so this will be 168. Alright. Okay. Now 2100 into 9. 20 into 9 kitna hota hai? This is 180, so this will be 189. And then 2100 into 10, so this is 21,000, right? So shares of A, B and C respectively are 16,800, 18,900 and 21,000. Guys, is it clear? Anyone, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? Clear? Sharing? Fine? Okay. Guys, any doubt, any query, any confusion to anyone? Vim, it's fine? Alright. Clear guys? Parul, it's okay? Good. Shall we come to the next question? Okay, online students? Guys, is it fine? I can see some of you. Alright. Okay, one student is Ravish Kumar. Ravish Kumar News. Alright. Okay. So guys, it's fine. Shall we move to the next question? Huh? All right. Okay. Udaya Shri is asking, sir, how to divide in the ratio? See, everyone, yesterday's class was, before this we have taken the class of ratio. So you please watch that class, right? And you will be able to understand how to decide, how to divide a value in the ratios. Fine, everyone, right? Because this class is the continuation of yesterday's class. Okay. All right. Let's move to the next question. Just read that, guys. Don't solve it. Just read it. Okay? Don't solve it. Just read. Question is saying ABC started a shop by investing rupees 27,000, 72,000 and 81,000 respectively. At the end of the year, the profit was distributed among them if C's share of profit is 36,000. Find out the total profit. Alright. Guys, the question is saying at the end of the year, right? It means the duration of the business is 12 months, right? So 27,000 and 72,000 and 81,000, right? Okay, everybody, all these numbers are divisible by what? 9. And obviously 3 zeros are there, so first of all cancel them and then divide them by 9. So this is 3, 8 and 9. Okay, everyone? So the total profit will be distributed in this ratio, but the total profit is not given in this question. They are saying the profit of C. So profit of C according to you is 9 units and the question is saying it is 36,000, right? So guys, 9 into 4 is 36 and followed by 3 zeros. So this is 4,000 times of this. So question is asking then find out the total profit. Then find out the total profit. So according to us, the total profit is what? 3 plus 8 plus 9. This is 20 units. Fine. So we need to multiply this 20 with 4,000. Everyone, yes or no? Fine. So the total profit is 80,000 rupees. Everyone, the total profit was 80,000 rupees. Okay. Guys, is it clear? Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query? No? Yes, we can do that also, but the thing is like 8 into 4,000 plus 3 into 4,000 plus 9 into 4,000. We can take 4,000 common, so that will become 3 plus 8 plus 9 into 4,000. So 3 plus 8 plus 9 is 20, 20 into 4,000. Right? Okay. Yes. Guys, hope it is clear. Right? Sharing? Fine? Comfortable? Akram? Okay. Shall we move now, friends? Everyone? Parul, what happened? Acha, theek hai, kar lijiye. Okay. Now, let's talk about the next question, friends. Chaliye zara. Let's talk about the next question. Shall I remove this? The next question is, A started a business by investing rupees 45,000. After 3 months, B joined him with the capital of 60,000. And after another 6 months, C joined him with a capital of 90,000. At the end of the year, they made a profit of 16,500. Find the share of each partner. Guys, here they are saying at the end of the year, right? So total business was lasted for 12 months, right? Acha, A started the business, right? A started the business. It means A was there in the business for how many months? 12 months, right? And A was like, A came with the capital of 45,000. A was there in the business for 12 months. After that, the question is saying after 3 months, everyone, after 3 months. It means B was there in the business for how many months? 9 months. And he came with the capital of 60,000, right? Everybody okay? After that, the question is saying after another 6 months, C joined him with a capital of 90,000. After another 6 months, everyone, it means C was there in the business for how many months? C was there in the business for 3 months, because when B joined him as a partner, after 6 months of joining of B, C came. The question is saying after another 6 months, right? So suppose that he started in the month of January, he came in the month of April after 3 months, right? It means in 4th month he joined, and then after another 6 months, then only 3 months are left, right? So he came with the capital of what? 90,000. Everybody, yes or no? Right? Now, what can be cancelled? 3 zeros can be cancelled. So first of all, please cancel the 3 zeros. 3 0, 3 0, 3 0, right? And 45, 60, 90. All these numbers are divisible by 15, I suppose. Kar dijiye. So this is 3 into 12, huh? 15 into 3, right? 15 into 4, so 4 into 9. And 15 into 6, 6 into 3, right? So guys, this is 36 is to 36 is to 18, which is what? 2 is to 2 is to 1. Everyone, yes or no? Right? 2 is to 2 is to 1. So friends, what was the total profit at the end of the year? It was 16,500. Okay? So 2 is to 2 is to 1. Guys, this is what? 5. 165 divided by 5, 33. 33. Right. So 33 into 2, 6600, 6600 and 3300. This is the share of A, this is the share of B, this is the share of C. Everybody, yes or no? Right? Guys? 3 into 12. See, this number and this. I mean 45, 60 and 90 all are divisible by 15. So I have divided all these numbers, this by 15, so this will be giving you 3. So 3 into 12, this will be like divided by 15, will give you 4, so 4 into 9. This divided by 15 will give you 6, 6 into 3, right? Okay, guys, any other doubt? Any other confusion? Anyone in the class? Any query? Okay, that's great, everyone. Shall we move? Huh? Comfortable? Okay, that's great. After that, just look at this question. Question is saying ABC started a business by investing 20,000 rupees each. After 5 months, A withdrew rupees 5,000. Guys, just tell me. After 5 months, A withdrew rupees 5,000, which means what? Which means, what will be the capital, what will be the capital of A? Just read the question and tell me the meaning of this question. What will be considered as the capital of A? 15,000? So what about that 20,000 initial investment? That is fine, but what about that initial investment that he has done for first 5 months? Then, how to adjust that? Yes. See everyone, A invested, A, B and C all are invested 20,000 initially in the business, right? A, B and C all are invested 20,000 initially in the business, but only for 5 months A used this money. After 5 months, what he has done, after 5 months he withdrew rupees 5,000, right? So it means if the total duration of the business is 12 months, so first 5 months this much money was used, and next 7 months, 5 plus 7 is 12, next 7 months 15,000 rupees was used as the capital investment for A. So 15,000 into 7. Everybody, yes or no? Is it clear? Right. After that, what about B? B withdrew 4,000. So 16,000 into 7. Huh? Okay. So 16,000 into 7. And what about C? C invested 6,000 more. It means 26,000 into 7. Right. Good. Alright. Guys, hope this point is clear to all of you. ये आपको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Right everyone? Guys, this is clear? Right? Their investment part is clear now? Okay. If this is clear, then rest of the question is simple as we have solved the previous questions. Huh? So here everyone, the 3 zeros will be cancelled. So just look at this. I'm using the different color pens. This time 1000 can be taken common. 1000 can be so 3 zeros, 1000 can be taken common. 1000 can be taken common from this also. 1000 can be taken common from this also. So 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. Everybody clear with this? Right? Alright. After that, 20 into 5, 100. 100 plus 15 into 7, 105. Right? Correct? After that, 20 into 500 plus 16 into 7, कितना होता है? 112. See, 15 into 7 is 105. So 16 into 7, 7 और add कर दीजिए आप इसमें, right? So 112 हो जाएगा. Okay. After that, 20 into 500, 26 into 7. Guys, I don't know 26 into 7, but I know 25 into 7. 25 into 7 is 175. So 175 plus 7, 182. Right? Okay. So this is 205, this is 212, and this is 280. Everyone fine? Now I don't want to simplify this. Just wait, look for the number. The number is 69900, right? Question is saying at the end of the year, the total profit was 69900. Okay, everyone? See guys, this is 200 something, this is 200 something, this is also 200 something. So 200, 200, 200, 600. 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 82, 99. So if you add them, you will get 699. Right? So don't simplify this. Right? So if you divide in this ratio, what is the values, guys? This is 100 times. So this is this and this and this. Yes or no? यही आएगा ना? बोलिए. Guys, is it fine or not? Okay. All right. So this is your smartness, right? There is no need to work very hard, right? Think smartly, guys. Huh? Okay. All right.
So how did you get the last answer?
The last answer? See, we need to divide 69900 in this ratio, right? So this is 205, 212 and 282, correct? So just add these values, this will give you 699, right? So 699, this number would be divided by 699 will give you 100. So this into 100, this into 100, this into 100, right? So this into 100, this into 100 and this into 100. Okay? Yes, everyone fine now? Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any... Yeah.
Could we have taken 200 out?
What?
Could we have taken 200 out?
No, this is 200 plus 5. This is not 200 into 5.
So a step higher.
What?
Within that box.
This
we
box.
have taken 200 out as a common.
If you add them, this is 200 plus 5. This is 200 plus 12. This is not 200 into 12. So 200 cannot be taken common.
What I'm trying to say is, could we take 100 out, not 100?
100, no, 100 is not the multiple of this number. This is 205, but this is not 100, like 100 is not the multiple of this number. Got it? Right? I mean, this is not the multiple of 100. Right? Yes, everybody fine now? Common ऐसे नहीं लिया जाता है. Yes, all of you, okay? ठीक है, आगे बढ़े हम लोग. Yes, any other doubt? Sure. Okay, चलिए. Yes, all of you, shall we move now? Akram, comfortable? Okay. Yes, guys. Now, friends, just look at the question. ठीक है? Everyone, I won't solve this question. I want all of you just to think about this, right? You also don't have to solve this question. You just have to think about it. Just read the question. Question is saying A, B, C enter into a partnership. A invests 3 times as much as B invests, and B invests 2/3 of what C invests, right? At the end of the year, the total profit earned is rupees 6,600. What is the share of B? Okay, guys, just look at this question. आपको इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Fine. I'll be just writing and you just have to think. Just tell me, A invests 3 times of B and B invests 2/3 of C, right? Okay, just tell me, what should I assume here? I'll be starting with C. What should I write here? Think about it, guys. Just think about it. What should I write here? Or how to start this question? आप शुरू कैसे करेंगे इसको? Yes. How would you start this question, Vimi? Oh, Vimi want to start this question. Yes. Yes, Akram. How would you start it? देखिए, everyone, आप सिर्फ सोचिए चीजों को कि कैसे करेंगे. Yes. No idea? Farul? Okay. See, all of you, देखिए बात समझिए. Question क्या बोल रहे हैं? B invest 2/3 of what C invests, right? 2/3 of what C invest. इसका मतलब C यहाँ पे जो भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है उसका 2/3 ये होगा ना. Like C's 2/3 will be B, right? So this number should be the multiple of 3 because you need to find 2/3 of this value. So this number should be the multiple of 3. So what is the least multiple of 3 is 3 itself, right? So if you assume this 3, then 2/3 of this value will be what? 2/3 of this value will be what? 2, right? So this is 2. Now A invests 3 times as much as B. 3 times of this, 6. Guys, this is the ratio of their investment. Read the question, please. Read the question, everyone. Okay? Just read the question. All of you? Is it clear? Right? So, you know, while reading the question, the 50% question is solved. Let me tell you, frankly. Provided you are reading it differently. Right? You are extracting the information which is actually required for the solution. Okay? Yes, guys, is it fine? Sharing? Yeah, please ask your doubt if you have. Yes.
So is there any other way also to solve this question?
फिर उसमें देखिए करना वही पड़ेगा. आप उसको x एज्यूम करेंगे, फिर x का वो करेंगे, फिर ऐसे करेंगे, वैसे करेंगे, या फिर आप इसको a is equal to 3b लिखेंगे, फिर something like, right? Once more, okay, it's fine. See, the question is saying A invests thrice of B and B invests 2/3 of C. Right? B invests 2/3 of C. Whose phone is this? Silent it, yeah. Right? B invests 2/3 of C. Okay? So you please assume C as 3. Why? Because you need to find 2/3 of this value. Right? So if I assume this as 3, 2/3 of this will be 2 and thrice of this will be 6. Correct? Okay? Yes.
If it was, let's say if it was 2/7.
2/7.
Yeah, then you would take 7.
This as 7, yeah. Right?
Third of 3 is 2.
Huh, see, 2/3 of this value will be what? 2. Correct? Done? Guys, any other doubt? Those who are sitting online also? Huh? Okay? Alright, good. After that, everyone, the question is saying the total profit was 6600. Okay? So 6600 will be divided in the ratio 6:2:3. Guys, what is the sum? 11? 11. So this is 600, right? So 600 into 6, 3600. 600 into 2, 1200. Huh? And 600 into 3, 1800. Guys, yes or no? Right. Okay, good. Everyone, feeling comfortable? Huh? Any doubt, friends? Any confusion? Any query? No? Alright? Okay, good. Very good. Done? Alright. Yes, those who are sitting online, guys, any doubt?
So 6600
Divided by 11 will give you what? 600? 66 divided by 11 will give you 6. So this is 600, right? So this is 600 into 6. 6 into 6, 3600. 6 into 2, 1200. 6 into 3, 1800. Huh? Alright. Okay, that's great. Alright, very good guys. Very good. Very good. Yes. Shall I move now? Okay. ठीक है. Yes. Guys, now let's talk about these type of questions, right? Where the question is saying after how many months another partner joined the business, right? Okay. So this is a different type of question. Till now everything was given to us in the question, when he joined, when that person joined, but this time they are asking when B joined the business and all the informations are given. So question is, A invested rupees 76,000. A invested 76,000 in a business. After few months B joined him. It means A was there in the business for entire 12 months, I think. If it is not given in the question, then the duration will be taken as 12 months. And the question is saying at the end of the year, right? It means the business was there for 12 months. Okay. So after few months B joined him with some capital? No, with 57,000. Yeah. 76,000, I'm sorry. ठीक है. This is 57,000 and the number of months are not given. So let's say this is N, right? Okay. And at the end of the year, the profit was divided in the ratio 2:1. Guys, just look at this. Everyone, just look at this. Guys, please look at this. I'll be solving this question just by thinking only, right? देखिए. मुझे ये बताइए 76,000 and 57,000. Like there are 3 zeros can be cancelled. Do it first. 76 and 57. Both the numbers are divisible by which number, guys? Both the numbers are divisible by which number? 76 and 57. Both the numbers are divisible by which number, guys? Those who are sitting online also? Yes, they are divisible by 19. So everyone, this is 4, 19 into 4, right? And this is 19 into 3, right? So 19 into 4 and 19 into 3, and here we have 4 into 12 and here we have 3 into something, right? And the final ratio we know will be coming as 2:1, correct? So all of you, 12 into 4 is what? 48. 48, and this number should be like, this is half of this, right? This is 1:2, so half of this will be what? 24. 3 into something will give you 24. 8. It means, yes, it means he was there in the business for 8 months. The question is saying, after how many months did he join the business? The answer is 4. After 4 months he joined the business, guys. Right? And friends, please mind these type of questions. maybe 8 will be given in the options. I mean 8 and 4 both will be given in the options. So in hurry you may select 8 as an answer. ये हो सकता है, right? Okay, everybody fine now? So the answer is B joined the business after 4 months. Okay, the answer is, the final answer is B joined the business. B joined the business after 4 months, right? After 4 months. This is the answer. B joined the business after 4 months. How 4 months? Okay. See, Shirin, the total duration of the business is 12 months. He was there in the business for 8 months. It means he must have came after 4 months. Right? Clear? Clear? Okay. Give me any doubt. Clear? Good. Guys, any other confusion? 48. See, this is 2:1. So this is half of 2, right? 1 is what? Half of 2. So half of 48 should be coming here. Half of 48 is 24. 24, 3 into something will give you 24. So what that thing will be? 8, right? So B was there in the business for 8 months. It means he must have joined after 4 months. So the answer is 4 months, guys. The final answer is 4 months. Okay? Everybody, yes or no? Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? Clear now? Okay, that's great. That's great. Shall we move? Huh? Everybody, shall we move now? Okay, chaliye. Yes, online students, guys, any confusion, any query, any doubt? No? Huh? ठीक है, very good. So let's move to the next question. The next question is saying again the similar type of question, guys. अब रुक जाइए, everyone, अभी नहीं करेंगे, रुकिए, रुकिए, कोई नहीं करेगा, सिर्फ सोचेंगे और मैं लिखूंगा, ठीक है? मुझे ये बताइए, A started a business 21,000 rupees. B joined him for 36,000. What is the ratio? What is the ratio between these two numbers? बोलिए, quick. What is the ratio? Yes, this is 7:12, right? This is 21 and this is 36. The ratio is 7:12. ठीक है? अच्छा. Question is saying A started a business. After how many months did we join? If the profit at the end of the year, it means A started the business and he was there in the business for 12 months, right? At the end of the year, the profit was divided equally, guys. So A जो है वो 7 into 12 and B जो है वो 12 into something, but they are equally. It means these two numbers are same. So if it is 12 into 7, then it has to be 12 into 7. Right? If this is 7 into 12, then it has to be 12 into 7. Yes or no? It means what? The answer is for after 5 months. Question is what? After how many months did we join the business? So the answer is after 5 months, because he was there in the business for 7 months. Guys, is it clear? Right? Is it clear? Okay. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो मैं पूरा लिख देता हूं स्टार्टिंग से. देखिए, A 21,000 rupees, 12 months. B we don't know, I mean 36,000 rupees, but I don't know for how many months. So let's write N here. Just divide 3 zeros. So this is 7. I mean 3 से divide होगा ये, and 3, 12, and this is 7. So this is 7 into 12, and this is 12 into what? And the answer is 1:1. So both the numbers are equal. So if this is 12 into 7, it has to be 12 into 7, right? So 7 into 12. So guys, B was there in the business for 7 months. It means he must have joined after 5 months. Okay? So you just have to think logically and the question will be itself solved, guys. Okay? आपको question करना नहीं पड़ेगा, it will be solved itself. Right? You just have to think logically. If you are thinking logically, the question will be solved. Right? Okay, everybody fine now? Clear? Sharing it's fine? Comfortable? Everyone feeling comfortable? Huh? All right, very good. Very good guys. मजा आ रहा है ना आपको? Okay, चलिए. Next one will be doing like this only guys. ठीक है? आप करेंगे नहीं. Okay everyone? No one will solve that question, but everybody will answer that. Okay? चलिए. Guys, रुकिए. Just read this question. Everyone, just read this question and no one will solve it. Please put down the pens, all of you. No one will solve it. What is this? क्या लिखा हुआ है? What is this? This is 85, this is 42.5. What is the relationship? Yes, 2:1. Very good. Right? Very good guys. ठीक है? So A began the business and B joined him after some time. Right? अच्छा. A began the business and he was joined afterwards by B as a partner. And for how much period did B join if the profit at the end of the year was divided in the ratio 3:1? Guys, he started the business and at the end of the year, so he was there in the business for 12 months. So this is 24. So 1/3 of this will be coming here guys. 1/3 of this, 8. So 1 into what will give you 8? 8. Yes, the answer is 4. Right. How simple the question is guys. How simple. Right. Akram, getting it? Please note it down guys. Please note it down. Right? Okay. Yes everyone, the answer is after 4 months. Okay. So you have to read the question and while reading the question you have to analyze the question also. Right? While reading it you need to analyze the question also. And then the question would become easier for you. Okay? Yes. What is the final answer? The final answer is after 4 months. The final answer is after 4 months. Because the question is saying, guys, just wait. Just wait, guys, just wait. In this question, what they are asking? Everyone, in this question, what they are asking? In this question, they are asking for how much period does B join? The answer is 8 months, right? Not after 4 months. The answer is A was there in the business for 8 months. Guys, please, you need to read the question carefully, right? Here, the answer is he was there in the business for 8 months, right? Thank you. Yes, yes, 8. 8 is the correct answer, right? Because this time the question is asking for how many months did B join the business. I mean for how much period B was in the business. Okay? The answer is 8. Everybody clear with this? ठीक है, तो ध्यान रखिए guys. For this question the answer will be 8. And most probably in the options 8 will also be there and 4 will also be there. Right? So please don't select the wrong option like in hurry. Okay? Like as we committed a mistake, anyone can commit that mistake in the examination, right? Okay. Everybody clear now? Huh? Okay. Shall we move? Huh? So आपको ये बात ध्यान रखनी है कि एग्जाम में which option you need to choose, right? So you first read the language of the question carefully. What is to be asked? I mean, what is to be answered in this question? What has been asked? Okay. So, anyways, let's move, guys, to the next question. All of you. Okay. Guys, again, the similar type, right? Okay. Shall I solve it or you will solve this question? आप लोग करेंगे? Do it. एक बार आप करिए. Yes, everyone. Do it and I'll help you out if you're not able to solve this. Okay? And tell me the answer. Yes, everyone done? मुझे एक बात बताइए, I have told you a process when, I mean, with the help of that, you need to multiply 12 with 35, or 35 with 16, or 35 with an even number. What is to be done? You need to halve that number and double this number. Do you remember that? Right? So 35 into 12 will be equivalent to 70 into 6. Do you remember that? Huh? Do you remember that? 35 into 12 will be equivalent to 70 into 6. What happened, Vimi? How can you forget? How can you forget? Okay. Do you remember that? All right. Shall I solve this question? All right. Everyone, shall I solve this? Parul, आपका हुआ है? देखिए, guys, in the examination you don't need to take this much time, right? देखिए, question पढ़िए. Question is saying A started the business with rupees 3,500 and after 5 months B joined him as a partner, right? And at the end of the year, after a year, the profit was divided. It means A started the business and he was there in the business for 12 months. And after 5 months, it means B was there in the business for 7 months. Correct, guys? Okay. So 3,500 into 12 and B 7 into capital. Capital is not given. Everybody clear? So 35 into 12, देखिए everyone, 35 into 12. So we need to halve this number and double this number. So this is 70 into 6. This is what? 42. I mean 420, right? So guys, this is 42,000. Everyone fine now? Correct? And this number we don't know, so it's fine. And what is the final answer? The final 2:3. Everyone just look at this, please. Just look at this. 2:3. So friends, what is this? 2 into what will give you 42? 2 into what? 21. Very good. So this is 21,000. So 3 into 21 will be what? 3 into 21. 3 into 21. 63. 63,000. So 7 into what will be 63? Yes. So guys, B's capital was 9,000 rupees. Guys, is it clear now?
So why did you multiply 21?
See, the thing is, this is a ratio, right? So in ratio, it is written in the simplest form. So something common has been cancelled from both the terms. So that common will be 21,000. So this number is divisible by 21,000 and this number is also divisible by 21,000, right? So that's why I have just checked like by which number, I mean multiplying with which number this is giving you 42,000. So multiplying with 21,000, this is giving you 42,000. Okay? Yes, all of you fine now? Good, very good. Yes, Arushi Rastogi, Udayashri, Lalit Chaudhary, Vara Telugu, Razi, Raj Reddy. Guys, hope you are comfortable now. Everyone fine now? Hope you are comfortable. Everyone's fine? Parul ho gaya?
Yes.
Very good. ठीक है. Any doubt? No? मजा आ रहा है आप लोगों को? हाँ? ओके. मजा आ रहा है. चलिए. मजा आते रहना चाहिए guys. बहुत ज़रूरी है. Shall we move now? ठीक है? ओके. अब देखिए guys. Now please wait for a minute. देखिए क्या होता है. Question is saying A and B are partners in a business. A contributes 1/4 of the profit. Sorry, 1/4 of the capital. Right? A contributes 1/4 of the capital. Everyone, when this type of number comes, 1/4, 2/5, something like this, right? So here, इधर देखिए जरा, 1/4 of the capital. So this denominator will be considered as total. Correct? Right? Question is saying A contribute 1/4 of the capital. It means the total capital will be 4. So if A is contribute 1, then B will contribute what? 3, right? So actually the ratio between the investment of A and B was 1:3, right? Okay. Now we need to multiply this with number of months also. Guys, getting it? Okay. So this denominator will be always considered as total, and this will be the share of A. So obviously the rest part will be the share of B. Okay. Everybody fine now? Okay. तो देखिए जरा, here A invested 1 and B invested 3, right? So total, 1/4 if they are saying, then this will be considered as total. Okay, right? So A contributed 1 and B contributed 3. Everybody just look at this. मुझे एक बात बताइए, all of you just look at this. B receives 2/3 of the profit. So total profit will be what? 3. Out of that total profit, the share of B was 2. So share of A was 1. Right. So see, 2/3 of the profit. So total profit will be 3. Out of that, the share of B was 2. So share of A was 1. Right. So total profit, everyone, this is 1:2. Correct. Either देखिए जरा all of you. Question is saying A contributes 1/4 of the capital for 15 months. So A was there in the business for 15 months. So everyone, 1 into 15 is what? 15. So 15 into what? Double of this. So it should be 30. So 3 into what? 10. So B was there in the business for 10 months. Question is saying for how long B's money was used. What is the answer? 10 months. Right? For how long B's money was used? The answer is 10 months. Right? Note it down. Yes. Okay. How do we get 1:3? See, total profit is 3. Out of that, B is receiving 2. So total profit is 3. So if B is receiving 2, then A will be receiving what? 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Right? Total profit is 3. Out of that, B is getting 2. So A must be getting 1. See, the thing is, it is 2/3. So 1/3. What is the ratio of this? This is 1:2. Huh? This or this one. This one is the capital 1/4. So total capital was 4. This here. Total capital was 4. So out of that, the share of A was 1. Investment. So investment of B must be 3. Correct? Okay. Yes, everyone fine now? Huh? All right. Arushi, what's your doubt? Everybody fine now? Shall we do it once again or what? Once again? Okay. Let me solve it once again, guys. देखिए, A, B, right? Question is saying A contributes 1/4 of the capital. So if A contributes 1/4, then B must be contributing 3/4 of the capital, right? So 1/4 and 3/4. So what is the ratio? 1:3, right? Correct? Okay. And B receives 2/3 of the profit. So 2/3 of the profit if we receive, then 1/3 of the profit will be received by A. So this is 1:2 final ratio. A started for 15 months, right? A contributed for 15 months. So this is 15 and this is twice, right? So 30. 3 into what will give you 30? To 10. So B was there in the business for 10 months. Or for how long the B's money was used? So B's money was used for 10 months. Okay. And guys, here a very simple technique. मुझे एक बात बताइए. Suppose that I am saying my profit is 2/7. Suppose that if I am saying my profit is 2/7, then what is the profit of my? What is the profit share of my partner? Yes. So this is 2:5, right? Clear? Okay. Yes. Guys, is it fine now? All right. Sharing, it's fine. Very good. Shall we move everybody now? All right. Guys, let's look at the next question. Acha. See everyone, this question talks about sleeping partner concept and the working partner. Guys, sleeping partner or the working partner, right? Everyone, sleeping partner means an investor. The person who only invests, does nothing in the business, is known as sleeping partner, right? A person who is investing only in the business, doing nothing, is known as sleeping partner. And the person who is managing the entire business is known as working partner. Correct everybody? So you know what, in this deal, sometimes working partner takes some share of profit for managing the business, and after that what is left will be distributed in the ratio of their investment. Getting it everyone? So this will be giving you, this will be given you in the question like what is their deal. Okay. So just read this question guys. The question says A, B, C entered into a partnership contributing rupees 12,000, 18,000 and 20,000 respectively. Okay. A is a working partner getting 10% of the annual profit for the work. Find the share of each in the annual profit of 25,000. Guys, A is the working partner and is getting 10% for the 10% for this of the annual profit. ठीक है, for managing the business. Okay. So मुझे एक बात बताइए, if they have earned 25,000 as a profit, then what will be share of A as a working partner? As a managing the business, what will be share of A? Exactly. देखिए 10% of this will be given to A flat first, right? So this is 2500. So 2500 will be given to A first. So 2500 will be subtracted from 25,000. Now it is left with 22,500. Everybody getting it or not? Right? So 22,500 will be distributed in the ratio of their capital investment. Okay guys. Now what is their investment? ऐसे ही बताइए मुझे. 12,000, 18,000 and 20,000. What is the ratio? 12, 18 and 20. What is the ratio?
6, 9, 10.
6, 9, 10. So guys, 22,500 will be distributed among the partners. 22,500 will be distributed among the partners in the ratio 6, 9, 10. 6, 9 or what? 10. Okay. 6, 9 and 10 is 25. 6, 9, 15, 15 plus 10, 25. 25 into 9 is 225. So this is 900. 900 into this is 5400. 900 into this is 8100. And 900 into this is 9000. And guys, here 2500 more. So this will be added. So this is 7900. So share of A is 7900, share of B is 8100, share of C was 9000. Even after managing the business, he is getting the least. Right? Okay. All right. Garib aadmi hai wo. Yes. Yes, everybody clear with this? Huh? All right. Okay. Friends, any doubt? No? All right. Okay. Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query, any problem? Very good. Okay. Clear? Huh? All right. ठीक है. Shall we move now? Okay. All right. So guys, now let's move to the next question, and I think this question was asked in UPSC. Yes, guys, this was the question of UPSC 2024. Okay, just look at the question. आप करेंगे नहीं इसको, ठीक? मैं करूँगा, right? Just look at the question. Yes, everyone. Just look at the question. Just read the question. A, B, C entered into a partnership. Sorry. Two persons P and Q, I'm sorry. Two persons P and Q enter into a business. P puts rupees 14,000 more than Q. But P has invested for 8 months and Q has invested for 10 months. If P's share is 400 more than Q's share out of a total profit of 2,000 rupees, what is the capital contributed by P? All right. See, everyone, just look at this. I don't want any solution, I don't want anything. I just want to know, like, what is the share of, what is the distribution of the profit? In what ratio the profit was distributed? Can you tell me? Don't solve it, right? Don't solve it. Don't use the pen. Can you tell me what is the profit, what is the distribution of the profit? In what ratio the profit was distributed? बस इतना बताइए मुझे. बता सकते हैं? अगर आप नहीं बता पाएंगे तो मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगा. Yes. Can you tell me in what ratio the profit was distributed? No? Guys, just wait. छोड़ दीजिए. Everyone, just tell me one thing, all of you. If suppose that I need to divide, Arun, if I need to divide 100 rupees among two persons, between two persons, such that if I need to divide 100 rupees between A and B, such that A is getting 10 rupees more than B, right? Then नहीं 60-40 में 20 का डिफरेंस हो गया. छोड़ दीजिए वो सब, मुझे बस ये बताइए कि A को क्या मिला, B को क्या मिला. Everyone, my question is, if I need to divide 100 rupees between A and B, that's such that A is getting 10 rupees more than B, then what are their shares? Don't write anything, Akram. Yes, guys, बताइए जरा. Guys, my question to you is, अगर मुझे A और B के बीच में 100 rupees distribute करने, if I need to distribute 100 rupees between A and B, where A is getting 10 rupees more than B, then what are their shares? 60-40, 20 rupees का difference है. The difference should be 10 rupees. Oh. Guys, what happened? Yes, everyone? See, all of you, just wait. Don't do anything, guys. Please don't do anything. Just wait. In these type of questions, इधर देखिए जरा. In these type of questions, I need to give 10 rupees more to A, right? So first of all, take 10 rupees and put in your pocket. What is left? 90. 90 must be distributed equally between them. 45, 45, and give 10 rupees to A. So 45, 55. That's it. Simple. Again, suppose that I need to divide 100 rupees between A and B such that A is getting 30 rupees more than B. Then what are their shares? 35 and 65. Very good. Guys, it is clear? Right? Okay. So here, question is saying out of the total profit of 2000, P was getting 400 more than Q. It means take 400 rupees first, separately. 1600 left, 800, 800 and 400 more. 1200. So the profit was 1200 and 800. What is the ratio? 3:2. P was getting more now, right? So the profit share was 3:2. Okay, everybody? Yes. So P and Q, the profit share finally was 3:2. Right, everybody? See, guys, you know what? I can write the entire thing, but I don't want to write it, and I don't want you guys also to write this thing, because when you guys are comprehending this part while reading the question, right? And you are writing directly this, then you will save a lot of time of your. Else, so many students will solve this first, like what is the ratio of their profit, okay, right? So you don't have to do this, you just have to think about it. आप notes में लिख लीजिएगा उसको side में कहीं पे कि कैसे करते हैं, right? This type of questions are solved like this. So first of all, take 400 with you and divide the rest part equally between them and give 400 to the person who is getting 400 more. That's it. Everybody clear with this? Huh? So the ratio of their profit distribution is 3:2. Guys, is it clear? Right? So the profit was divided between them in the ratio 3:2. Correct, everybody? Huh? After that, two persons P and Q started the business and P puts 14,000 more than Q, but P has invested for 8 months. Guys, just look at this. P has invested for 8 months, right? And Q has invested for 10 months. Everyone? इधर देखिए जरा. I will be solving this question with two processes, right? The one is assuming X and the second one is taking the options. So in the examination, I'll prefer to solve this question with the help of the options, right? Okay, guys, if suppose that I need to solve this question with the options, so here P जो है ना, P must be the multiple of 3, right? So among these 4 options, we have 2 multiples of 3. These 2 are not the multiples of 3, right? So I won't be considering these 2 as the answer. I'll be considering these 2 as the answer. So the most convenient value for me is what? 30,000. So I'll consider this as 30. Because 30,000, there is no need to write 1,000 because 1,000 will be anyhow cancelled, right? So this is 30. So 8 into 30 will be what? 240. Guys, in fact, if I don't write it 240, I can write this as 80 into 3. Why I am writing is 80 into 3? Because 3, right? So what should I write over here? This is 80 into 3, so this should be 80 into 2, yes or no? Or this is 160. Guys, yes or no? 160 means what should I write over here? 16. What is the difference between 30 and 16? 14. The question is saying 14,000 more. Right. Guys, the first answer that I have taken was the correct answer. Good luck. Right. Everybody getting it or not? Right? Or suppose that if I'm not solving this question with the help of the options, I'll be solving it considering X. देखिए जरा कैसे करना है. This is 8. देखिए, this is 8 into something. This is 10 into X. 10X. If I consider the share of Q as X, so share of P was X plus 14,000, right? So I'm writing it 14 only, huh? And the final ratio was what? The final ratio was 3:2. Everybody okay? So 8x plus 14 divided by 10x is equal to 3:2, right? So this is 5x, or no, please don't find it. I mean, don't solve it like this. Just multiply this. So 8x into 2, 16x, huh? Plus 8 into 14 into 2, 16 into 14, huh? Correct, everybody? Is equal to 30x, right? So this will be going there, will be giving you 14x, right? So 14x is equal to 16 into 14. So x, sorry, what I have cancelled. So x is what? X is 16, huh? So this is 16,000 and this is what? 16 plus 14 is 30,000. Everybody clear now? Huh? But in the examination, please avoid this approach because it will be time taking approach and you need to write this also, this much. But if you solve this with the help of the options, you just think it like done. Guys, is it clear? Everyone fine? Please note it down, guys. Anyone, any confusion, any query? Any one of you?
So can you explain the first part?
The first part. The first part was distribution of the profit, right? The profit was, I mean, P's share of profit was 400 more than Q's share, and the total profit was 2000 rupees. So it is the same situation that I need to divide 2000 rupees in the like between P and Q such that P gets 400 more than Q. Correct? So I have taken 400 rupees in my pocket and rest I have divided equally between them. So 1600 is left. If I taken 400 then 1600 left. So 800, 800. Now since P is getting 400 more, so I have given 400 rupees to P. So P is getting 1200 and Q is getting 800. So 1200 and 800 is in the ratio 3:2. Right? Okay. Alright. Yes everyone, fine now. Guys, any doubt? Okay. So according to me, you should solve this question with the help of the options in the examination. Right? Alright everyone, fine. So these type of questions are there in the examination. I mean, this is the partnership topic and this topic is easy actually. I would say this topic is easy. Right? Okay everyone, shall we wind up today's session? Huh? We have solved all the questions and this was the last question guys. And let me tell you friends, if you don't have the book, please buy the book. That is really important and that book is actually helpful for you. Fine. All the questions are synced with the book only. You don't have to write all the questions because the people are busy with writing questions and they are not able to getting what I'm trying to say. Fine. So please write the book so that you will get all the questions in one place. Okay. So thank you everyone. Hope you liked the session. Please guys, if you're really enjoying these classes and if the value addition is being done with, so value addition is being there with you guys. So please share these classes with your friends also, please. Okay everyone, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.